Здравствуйте, друзья! Welcome to my Russian language learning series. This is the 10th lesson of the series. Being polite is very important in any culture. Let's learn some polite words in Russian language. Let us start and repeat the words after me. Okay, let us now start with some essential words. Repeat the words after me. The first word that we have is spasiba. Spasiba. You would have heard me say spasiba in the previous videos. It means thank you. Spasiba. Большое спасибо. Большое спасибо. That means thank you very much. Большое спасибо. And this first word, большое, the first O is unstressed. That's why it is read as большое. And the second O is stressed. That's why it is read as большое. Большое спасибо. Thank you very much. We next have пожалуйста. Пожалуйста. In this also O is unstressed. Пожалуйста. It means please or you're welcome. If somebody says thank you and you want to say you're welcome, you can say пожалуйста. Or if you want to say please, you can then also use пожалуйста. We then have извините. Извините means excuse me. Извините. Next we have простите. Простите. Простите means sorry. I'm sorry. Простите. And if somebody says sorry to you and you want to say it's okay, for that we have ничего. Ничего. Repeat after me. Ничего. In Russian language, sometimes this letter G at the end of certain words is pronounced like V. This happens only in a few common words like nichevo, yevo, or chevo. You just need to remember them. That's why I did not read the last word as nichego, but nichevo. It's not nichego, but nichevo. So repeat these words after me once more. Spasiba. Большое спасибо. Пожалуйста. Извините. Простите. Ничего. Now let us look at an example dialogue between A and B, where A is asking B, where is the metro? So A asks B and starts by saying, Извините, где metro? A says, excuse me. Извините means excuse me. Where is the metro? Где means where and metro means metro. Извините, где metro? It looks like A is asking some stranger, or A is asking some random stranger and he's saying, excuse me, where is the metro? B says, Простите, я не знаю. B says, I'm sorry, I don't know. Простите means I'm sorry. Я means I. Не is the negative form, no. And знаю means no, I don't know. Простите, я не знаю. A says, ничего. Большое спасибо. That means it's okay, no problem. Ничего. Большое спасибо. Thank you very much. B says, пожалуйста. B says, you're welcome. Now repeat this after me. Извините, где метро? Простите, я не знаю. Ничего. Большое спасибо. Пожалуйста. Now let's say in English, excuse me, where's the metro? B says, I'm sorry, I don't know. A says, it's okay, no problem. Thank you very much. B says, you're welcome, and B leaves. So I hope you understood that conversation and you have got some ideas. You are now comfortable reading words and understand them. I have a challenge for you today. Say spasiba and пожалуйста to someone today. Be kind. Say spasiba and пожалуйста. I hope you are enjoying this Russian language learning series. Большое спасибо. See you in next video. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Большое спасибо. До свидания.